Hi, my name is Pete Palladino. I'm with the law firm of Goldberg, Persky & White. Goldberg, Persky & White has 27 attorneys and a staff of over 100 employees. We specialize in filing lawsuits on behalf of individuals who are suffering from asbestos-related diseases, such as mesothelioma, lung cancer, gastrointestinal and colon cancers, and fibrosis known as asbestosis. Asbestos is a mineral which is mined from the Earth's surface. It's milled and crushed and put into insulation products. Asbestos was and is predominantly used in industrial settings. And people who work in those industrial settings work near it, they saw it, an invisible fiber that is inhaled into the lungs, and it can cause asbestos-related injuries. People who worked near asbestos products were individuals who were involved in the construction of industrial settings. There were various trades. There were steel mill workers, there were insulators, pipe fitters, boiler makers, electricians. In an industrial setting during the construction phase and tear-out phase, there would be respirable asbestos fibers permeating the work site, and those individuals were not aware of the dangers associated with asbestos, but nonetheless inhaled that respirable asbestos fibers. We can help people who are now suffering from asbestos-related cancer, but who were not aware that they were exposed to asbestos. That's not an uncommon fact. We help people by sitting down with them and reconstructing their work site, by talking with their coworkers and determining what asbestos products were in their work site.
We know what products people were exposed to when they were working, even if that was 20, 30, 40 years ago, because of our experience. We've been doing this since the mid-70s, so we have over 35 years of experience. In addition to that, we have thousands of documents, such as invoices, from companies that made asbestos-containing products and then sold them to the steel mills, powerhouses, manufacturing plants in this area. And we have the resources to be successful in these cases, including a large staff of attorneys who can give the asbestos victim, the individual, attention that they deserve. And we also work with medical experts, both locally and around the country, who have the knowledge and experience to diagnose asbestos diseases and will help win the case. Somebody who has lung cancer and is a smoker or was a smoker should contact us, because asbestos exposure causes lung cancer, as does cigarette smoking. In fact, studies show that smokers have about a 10-fold increased risk of getting lung cancer, but people who are exposed to asbestos and who smoked have a 50 to 90 times increased risk of getting lung cancer. We've represented individuals from many walks of life who have been injured by asbestos and who suffered from cancer, many of whom have died from their exposures. That includes tradespeople like boiler makers and electricians, pipe coverers. It includes steel mill workers and chemical plant workers, powerhouse workers, and people may be surprised to know that we've successfully represented housewives who simply washed their husband's clothes who worked in an industrial environment. We are located in downtown Pittsburgh on 5th Avenue, directly across from the new Penguins Arena, the Consol Energy Center. We can also be reached at our phone number 1-800-COMPLEX and on the web at www.gpwlaw.com. That's gpwlaw.com.